morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, which means it is weigh-in day, and it has been quite the journey. Today, I just want to talk to you briefly about my journey, and because I get a lot of questions about it. A lot of people, I guess, didn't see the original video and are curious. So, besides telling you how I did this week, you know, I like to preface my videos with just a little bit of story, background, happenings, something. So anyway, I started Optavia a couple of months ago, and the reason was because I wasn't feeling well. My labs were found to be totally out of whack, and I was really encouraged by my physician to be admitted into the hospital. The reason for that was they were going to be supplementing. A lot of my vitamins and minerals came back in the deficient category, so they were wanting to do some IV therapy. And I was like, whoa, no, I work there, not happening. So I went home and researched ways to get off of keto and lose weight and yet get my my labs back to normal, because you know, you can't go through life not feeling well. And I'm not saying this happens to everybody on keto. This is just what happened to me. So I go home, I'm upset, I'm crying. I'm like, I have been on keto for the last few years. How am I gonna just stop this? This is gonna be a nightmare. But then at the same time, I'm like, how am I supposed to live being so vitamin deficient? So I went home, I researched, I literally surfed the web and went from thing to thing to thing to thing and tried really, really hard to come up with something. Like, I just couldn't not do keto anymore. So I stumbled upon Optavia, and when I started reading about it, I was very intrigued, and I did see that there was a nutritional support hotline number. So I called and I spoke to a very lovely dietitian for almost an hour, and basically they gave me the whole rundown on the plan: how probiotics are added, how there's nothing artificial, how there's everything is sweetened with stevia, and it very much paralleled keto. You know, you're doing very low carb, although you're getting carbs from your vegetables and such. And you are not eating bread and processed things. There's no fruit involved while you're in the fat loss phase. So it really mirrored keto, except also the food is 100% with your recommended daily allowance for vitamins, so you don't need supplements, you don't need magnesium to poop. Like, there was just so much goodness about this. So anyway, I took the information, I had them send it to me, and I took it back to my doctor, and I'm like, here you go. What do you think? And we had an agreement that I could do it for 30 days and see what happens. So after, I believe it was a week or two, we did retest my labs, and they came back perfect. So I got the okay to continue, and I did, and I still to this day maintain perfect lab values, nothing deficient, and I have lost, drum roll please, drum roll please. That's right, guys, I lost another 1.6 pounds this week, making my total just shy of 40 pounds, which you know is my ultimate goal. So I'm almost there. So anyway, going back, so the weight loss has been phenomenal. The lab values are all incredible, and I have never felt better. So that's pretty much my story in a nutshell. A lot of you ask, how much weight have I lost, like week by week by week? So the first week it was just shy of 8 pounds. The second week was, I think, like 4 or 5 pounds. But the reason I put these videos out there is so that you can look back. I always do my little weigh-in day thumbnail, so you'll be able to kind of go back literally week by week and see how I've done. I have had, is it 1 week or 2 weeks out of this whole entire journey that I stayed the same without weight loss, and everything after that has been a weight loss. I have not, I don't even believe I've had any gains. Maybe a 0.2 gain one time when I had salty food, And I mean, even during that time of the month when I have my period, I'm still able to lose weight. So people ask me all the time, what makes this plan so successful? And I have to say, I think it's because, actually I know it's because when your body is getting the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients that it needs, your body will shed its weight. You have to be balanced. Okay, we are in a calorie deficit. That's a no-brainer because that's the only way to lose weight. You have to have less calories coming in than you're exuding. Haven't done a ton of exercise. I explained that in my last video. And that's about it, guys. So another 1.6 pounds down, almost at my goal, and then I will be transitioning and you will see that entire journey. So that's it in a nutshell. I've only gotten a couple hours sleep. It's been a rough ride. So I'm gonna go back to bed, change, take my makeup off, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching this video today. And if you wanna see more or have any questions or comments, leave them below as always. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Stay focused.